Alright, we decided to stop at Noodles and Company. Get some lunch before we head over to Mrs. Falconz's football game with the Utah Falconz. So, alright.
Okay. Some Japanese pan noodles, and I got us some garlic bread.
To go with your noodles?
Yeah.
Brandon burnt it, and I have not been able to eat it. Just saying.
Alright, we out here at Cottonwood High School to support Kaylee Fa'amoy with the Utah Falconz. Utah Falconz, the last 4 seasons, their record 41-1.
41
That's
and what?
ridiculous. 41-1. Man, here we go.
Back-to-back champs.
Knock her down. Nice.
Good job, Kaylee.
Thank you. All right, we downtown. We're gonna go check out Viet Fam's Pretty Bird. See what it's all about. We just drove by. There's a huge line, so it'll be interesting. Let's go. Like it's busy. Like it's busy. Pretty Bird. Pretty Bird.
When you know that you should come over here and do this all on your own and not have to worry when you ain't good enough.
Can you see what this is saying? Oh my god. Oh, this place is black. Smell good though. Let's go.
Alright, so we got chicken, french fries, and pickles. Very simple. And these got the slaw and the breast and the wing. What's your review, bro?
Pretty Bird. I could give it. This is a soft 9.
Oh damn.
Soft 9.
Oh damn.
The chicken, the fries are American. I give it about 3 stars, 3, 4. We give stars, huh? Or thumbs.
Hey Viet, my bad dude. That's my brother. He don't know what he's talking about.
If we're doing stars, a soft 3.5. 3, 4 stars.
Yeah.
3.14.
15965.
I give it a 3.9.
Oh, and the owner gave me 4 free sauces, and I just so happened to share them. Wasn't bad though. Hey, he rose in the Prius, bro.
All right, final statement. Pretty Bird on Regent, downtown Salt Lake City. Get out there and try it. That chicken was legit. It was,
Make sure you get the super spicy though.
if you see the owner, Viet Fam,
Yeah.
that dude, congratulate him on what he's doing because he's got a pretty tight spot, man. So,
And he's out here working
and he's working.
on a Saturday.
Oh, I filmed him cleaning tables and taking out the garbage, dude. My man is legit.
Saturday.
Legit.
That's awesome.
But anyways, alright.
Gosh, you went
Alright, so now we are headed to Quarters, which is an arcade bar here in Salt Lake, replacing the old Manhattan. So we're gonna go get our game on. I'm gonna fussy all these guys and show them how to play this. Alright. Alright, we just got in here. And dude,
Oh my god!
there's games everywhere.
Alrighty, boys. Oh, this is so tight.
Let's go, son.
Boom! This game is legit. Alright, so far I gotta tell you, this place is pretty legit. And that game back there, Killer Bees, probably one of the best ones ever, man. But if you get some chance you're in Salt Lake City, try this place out. It's Quarters Arcade Bar in Salt Lake City. It's on 400 South and 5th West.
It's salty, bro. Salty.
Slowly but surely, bro. Oh, go Reggie.
Man, this way.
I am, dude.
That's the place right there.
Mexican.
Tell you what, I would come back to Quarters every week. That place was fun. Killer Bees is definitely the arcade game, man. That place was legit.
Yeah, that game is pretty freaking
I don't know. Probably had. I definitely told these guys one of the best bar experiences I've ever had in my life.
You know, we came here to compete.
And we came to challenge. We didn't even challenge. We were on the same team,
We only me and this guy competed.
and we destroyed everybody. We competed with everyone else, and we destroyed them. That's how we roll. All right. Choo-choo.